I'm building a tiny vacation home on wheels.
Shut up and sit down.
Colorado Springs, the home of the Manitou Incline. Basically 2,700 steps where every step you take is a middle finger to your spinal column. About halfway up the Manitou Incline, my pilgrimage to the top. Oh my god, it's not that hard. It's the altitude that gets you, and the fact that I've been hiking and ziplining all day. Probably not wise before doing this. So I'm 2/3 of the way up. Everybody is dying. Some people are going downhill, so they have the right idea. Not me. I'm almost done. About 1/3 of a mile up there. Go, go, go! You got it! Woo! So that was the starting point down there. There's my car by that blue building. And, well, my car, there's Prudence, the van. And we are about, I don't know, 2,000 steps up, 2,700 steps total. Getting steeper and steeper. And, like I said, everybody's in pain. It's like the human pain noises we're all making, like, oh, my leg. Or in SpongeBob, my leg. That's what Harriette loves. We do a lot of my leg. Anyway, there's Colorado Springs over there. And some other stuff. This is pretty cool, super beautiful. Like I said, we're all dying. Every single one of us. There's snow over there. I'm trying to like distract myself from having to keep going. And these people haven't moved. So these people haven't moved. Those girls are doing like Instagram modeling. And everybody else is like, I just want to go back to the car. So anyway, after this there's like another 2-mile hike that goes down through the mountains, back to the parking lot. You're technically not supposed to go downhill this way, which is not a good idea to go downhill because your legs are like jelly by the time you get to the top. So it is fun. I would recommend doing this in the morning, not after you did a 6-mile hike and then 2 hours of zip lining and a 1-hour drive. So, and waking up in 25-degree Fahrenheit weather. But it's good, it's been a good day. I will be in pain tomorrow. But it's the land of hot springs, so I'm hoping to get to Glenwood Springs in a few days and maybe check out some of their hot springs there. Maybe if there's ones in this area, I can do that too. So yeah, let's keep going. Almost an hour of going up this frickin', I don't know what this is, a ladder or a staircase. Did it. I did the Manitou Incline and now I'm doing the 2-mile hike back down. Oh my god. Actually once you get to the top it's pretty cool, and yes, that was a guy playing the guitar. So you know, I expected there to be a band at the top. I mean, why else would I go up there? No snow cone vendor though. Very disappointed. I had my $5 for a nice ice cream or something at the top. But anyway, hiking down. That is it for today. Great first day in Colorado. Oh my god, you definitely have to try it. And when you go up the incline, stay to the left because the steps are a little less steep. That is my recommendation. And take breaks. I mean, it took me an hour to get to the top, so don't be in a rush. But oh, so beautiful. I feel alive. Oh, I'm so happy I did it. Such a great day. Gorgeous weather. Oh my god, zip lining, hiking Red Rock, and now the Manitou Incline. So yeah, definitely check this out. Colorado Springs area. Can't beat it. Especially now, the weather's perfect. Oh, so fun. I'm so happy. Got so much adrenaline. Anyway, but yeah, so this is my hike, going through all these little rocks and things. So it should be super fun. And that is the trail. So that's a wrap. This is the downhill hike, and then this is kind of the halfway point where if you just want to like not go to the top, you can just take this, which links to the trail that I'm doing on the down spin. I don't know what you would call it. Anyway, and those girls I saw before, I guess they're going downhill this way. They could go this way, it's a lot easier than the steps. I don't know. I never know what people's mindsets are, you know. It's like, why you go that way? Go this way. This way easier. Yep. Oh, almost back to the van. So nice to have a little house to go back to in the parking lot, and a toilet, and a fridge, and food, and a bed. So that's the advantage of van life. Other people, they got to drive to their house, not me. I get to go to my bed right there in the parking lot.